Let's antique this thing. This handle is not good. Let's try to break it before we even get started. Surprisingly, copper is hard to find. Everyone has gold, rose gold, Venetian gold, Roman gold, Queen Victorian gold. I don't care. I want to copper. Like it was already black. You can get other colors too. And I'm just going to put it like directly onto the brush. Actually, I'm going to put it on this. I got a bag over here. Just going to squirt a bit on. Because we're going to do some dry brushing.
My garlic.
Your garlic.
What? I don't mean.
Ooh, yeah. Looks so good. Looking good, looking good. Good thing is a crappy placemat that already has a ton of paint on it already, so if I get them on, it doesn't matter. Ooh, look at that. Just trying to even it out, though. Looking better. Because we want it to look like it's copper or whatever. I'm sorry. And then the black is the, like, inside. Like aging, like patina. Patina. That's just a crappy thing from Dollar Tree. I don't want to get it really thick on it, you know what I'm saying? Just having it as a prop. I mean, it's actual functioning mirror. Ooh, infinity. Look how good this looks. This looks so amazing. I know, typically they'd be like silver, but I wanted it copper because I wanted to patina it. Can't really, you know, the green patina silver. Okie doke. And as it's drying, I can put it like a little bit thicker in some spots missing it. Ooh, especially like on the edge right there. That's really good. Definitely be thicker there. Yeah. Try to tip it towards it. There you go. See, like that. So this is what it looks like now. Oh, so nice. This is the piece of crap it was before. It's got some nice details though, which is why I really wanted it. And it came in colors like pink and purple and stuff. Definitely want one of those. Oops, hey! Dropping stuff over here. These little raised parts right here are a little bit here. Closer. Be kind. There we go. These little raised parts are a little tricky. But it looks good. Looking good. Trying not to have to use any more of the paint, but we will. Just a teeny tiny bit. A bloop. One little ploop. Come on. Boop. Alrighty. Now I'm not going to use like a straight green. I'm going to be mixing it with some other shades. And just painted it in my finger. That looks so good. Very nice, very nice. I'm not gonna do a rub off on this side unless it's the mirror. Yeah, got quite a bit. It's okay, easy to clean. And because it's dry brushed, it takes little to nothing to dry. How about the edges though? What do you think? How does it look? Does it look old? That's so nice. So nice. So nice. you know what? I think I'm gonna need just itty bitty, just half of a nib. Just because the outside really needs a little bit of touch. And that part right there, I think I might have touched it with my hand a little bit too much. There we go, there we go. Because this part's a little bit thicker than over here. Ooh, I didn't do that one. Or maybe I did and I wore it off, I don't know. I mean, honestly, if I had a bigger brush, it probably could have gone faster, but it's okay. I like to do little detail work. And you know what? People probably won't even see this thing, but I don't care. I like doing this stuff. All right, now let's try and make our little green patina combo. So we're gonna mix mostly green. And I made a mess. Mess already. Whoop, there we go. And we're going to put a daub of orange in it. This is a apricot, it says. Just to tone it down a little bit. And then this is bright yellow. That's probably not what I want. Probably wanted that like a goldenrod that I have, but kind of too lazy right this second to go into the garage and go get it. There we go. Okay, now let's mix first. It's okay. Not quite the color I'm after. Let's put a little bit more of that orange. Much better, except for this. I'm gonna wipe off the excess. Probably shouldn't have used the hairbrush. I should have used the plastic one like this one. Oh well. Can't get it dry enough. Here. Let's do it this way. The hair brushes hold more paint, so thank you, darling. Plus it kind of gets a weird shape now too. Yeah, it's not a fan of this. All right, so where shall we do it? Let's start with whoop, that one. Hey, how about I put it in the camera? Hey, put some around here, and then we dab it up. And then we put them over here. Maybe a little bit right there. And then we dab it off. There we go. It's finally getting dry enough that I like. Yeah, because we don't want it like really seen on this. So it's looking like that. See how green that is right there? Yeah, that's not what I want. And then just do like that to it. Oh, look how good that is. Oh, I'm in love. Love, love, love. Okay, we don't want to do the whole thing, obviously. Make sure you don't put the actual paint back onto it. Okay. And now we just do the front. Ugh, yeah, see, look at how trash this is. Don't like it. Not good for this. Okay, a little bit. Definitely would be on the handles, you know, because all the hand grease. Oopsie, don't break it. Maybe that would have touched it. You know what I mean? Grease, human oils and such. God, the edging is so hard with this brush. It's too soft and gentle. Don't want a lot, just a little bit. And I'm about to paint my phone. Okie doke, I think we're done. I used up a lot of paint just for that little teeny tiny bit. That's okay. Now, let's try our bestest not to wreck anything and get the paint off of the mirror. Alright, now we got a little black because we can't have nice mirror. Oh, this is so old. We want this super duper duper dry. And I can just do it right to the edge. Ta-da! It's looking yucky. So I'm kind of like stabbing it at the edge right there, because it kind of does this icky, like pulling away sort of motion. And you don't want it to be perfect, so do it however you want. Just don't use a lot of paint at a time. Like that. Way too much. Way too much right there. Oops. Okay, well. Take a little bit of this, and I'm not going to wipe it. I'm just going to daub it like a lot. There we go. Oh God, that's beautiful, actually. Actually. Look how nice that one came out. Very nice, very nice. Actually, why don't we do a little bit too much paint in other places? And then, paper towels are your best friend. See, way too much. Ew. But, I'm going to do this. And, it's yucky. Okay, and we got a lot. Now I'm going to do that. And it's okay if it's more on this side and less on this side. Beautiful, beautiful, disgusting, but beautiful. Well, I think we're done. You like my color palette? Isn't it beautiful? Hey, you use what you got. And this is how it looks now. I think this looks fantastic. Looks very aged and worn and disgusting. We love it. Very nice. I think this might have been $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. Very nice. So the actor can use it, look into it, and be spooky. These are the colors that I used: antique copper, and then I just experimented with these three right here, making the patina. So it's crisp green, apricot, and bright yellow. Not the best combos, but it worked, I think. And then some old black. And again, I prefer these like plastic bristled ones to do this sort of thing on. Much better than the nice, very soft ones to paint with. And that's it.